Joseph? Mommy, where's Joseph?
Oh no.
Where did Joseph go?
Where's our little Joseph?
I don't see him anywhere.
I don't know.
Oh, there's Joseph.
You
Bye-bye. Joseph, go bye-bye.
You silly little boy.
Mommy, where's Joseph?
I don't know.
Aw, you're silly. What are you doing in Mommy's kitchen cabinet?
I lost our silly little boy.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know where he is.
How does that kid fit in there? Joseph.
Like a glove.
Oh, he found something glass.
Uh-oh. Joseph, that's a no-no.
Joseph, take it to
Joseph,
Mommy.
Put it away. Put it away. Joseph, go put it back right now. Go put it back.
Ooh, you got busted, Joseph.
Put it back. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank
Close door.
you. Okay,
Oh, it
it's
closed
good.
itself.
It's good. Yeah.
You silly boy.
Joseph.
Joseph, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.